Let's quickly revise 10th Standard ICSE English Literature, Merchant of Venice, Act 3, Scene 3, Shylock's encounter with Antonio. Antonio has failed to repay the 3,000 ducats loan to Shylock within the stipulated time. So he has been sued and now he has been jailed. Antonio requests the jailer to accompany him to meet Shylock, where he begs for Shylock's mercy. But Shylock is adamant that he would have his bond. He would have his forfeiture of a pound of flesh from Antonio's body. He seems to have taken a vow in the synagogue that he would not change his mind. Antonio too decides that he would not request Shylock anymore, and he knows very well that Shylock wants revenge simply because Antonio had saved many people from the clutches of Shylock. Because Antonio used to give loans without interest so that Shylock won't be able to exploit the people in need. Saladino hopes that the Duke would intervene and save Antonio, but Antonio knows very well that the Duke has to follow the rules and the laws of Venice, because if the laws of Venice are broken, if the contract is not honored, then the prosperity of Venice is at stake, because the merchants would then lose their trust in the legal system. So Antonio resigns to his fate, and all he wants is that before he dies, he would like to meet Bassanio once. Act 3, Scene 4, Portia's departure from Belmont. After Bassanio and Graciano have departed, Portia has a plan B in her mind. Jessica had informed that Shylock may not agree to accept any amount of money because he was hell-bent on taking revenge from Antonio. So Portia decided that she would send her servant, Balthazar, to Padua with a letter to Dr. Bellario, a renowned judge. She wanted a reply to the letter as well as a lawyer's robe. She informed Nerissa that they would be disguising as men and they would leave for Venice. She kept Lorenzo and Jessica in charge of the mansion and told them that she herself and Nerissa would be going to the monastery and they would spend time like widows and spinsters and pray for the safety of their respective husbands. But she reveals the actual plan to Nerissa, that they would be disguising and they would go to Venice to save Antonio. And Portia is excited about wearing a dagger and behaving in a manly fashion. She knows the ways of boys and she knows how to boast about his conquests so that people would be under the false impression that she is actually a boy. Act 3, Scene 5. This is a very playful and jestful scene just before the serious scene of Act 4, Scene 1, the court scene. In this scene, we have Lorenzo, Lancelot and Jessica at Belmont. Initially, Lancelot and Jessica are having a banter where Lancelot is accusing Jessica and claiming that she would go to hell after death because she was the daughter of a Jew. But Jessica replies that since she had married a Christian, she should be saved. To this, Lancelot now blames Lorenzo for having increased the population of Christians, that is, increasing the population of the pork eaters, which would increase the price of pork. After this banter, Lorenzo comes onto the scene. He asks Jessica about her impression of Portia. Jessica is all praise for Bassanio's wife, and she feels that Bassanio is very lucky to have a fantastic wife like Portia. She says that there is no other woman in the world equal to Portia in terms of virtues or intelligence. Lorenzo playfully says that even Jessica is lucky to have a husband like himself, that is Lorenzo. Jessica wishes to comment on this, but Lorenzo asks her to hold on to her thoughts and reserve it for dinner time so that he would be able to digest her comments along with the food. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.